Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable supports in Orca Slicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we need to do is you will open this Orca Slicer program and you will place your 3D model on the build plate. So I have right here this happy shark. So I will open just that like so. We need to wait a few moments to load up like that. And now we have our model in our plate. So the next thing is we will look at the left side of the screen and find the process panel. So as you can see right here on the left side, we have process panel right over here. And below that, we will find more panels, and one of them is support. So click on support. Okay, so what we need to do is just check the box right next to enable support like that right here. So once checked, Orca Slicer will automatically calculate where your model needs help and build support underneath those sections when you slice the file. So right below the checkbox, you will see a drop-down menu called Style and Type. You can choose how the support looks. So we have here, let's say, if we select on the type tree auto, then we have here tree slim, tree hybrid. So this grows branches up from the bed to hold your model. It uses very little plastic and snaps off easy with your fingers. Then we have here grid, also organic. This builds traditional straight walls under your model. It is very sturdy but can be harder to remove from the panel. And yeah, this is pretty much basically it, how you can enable supports in Orca Slicer. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you